Class 10, today I will start exercise 26.2. Okay. So in this exercise we will discuss only about median. In the last one we have discussed already about mean. Now we will discuss about median. Okay. So the first question, I am starting from first question directly because if I will do the sums you will understand the concept properly. Okay. So please open your exercise 26.2 question number 1. Question number 1 is per day selling prices in rupees of Madhu Uncle shop for the last week were 107, 201, 92, 52, 113, 75, 195. Let us find the median of the selling prices. So Madhu's Uncle shops for the last week selling price was first day 107, then 207, then 92, then 52, then 113, then 75 and then 195. Let us find the median of the selling prices. So we have to find median of the selling prices. So if this type of question will come in which data is given to you, means 107, 201, then 92, 52, 130, 175, 195, these all are data. If it is given to you, then how you will find the median? Now concentrate on the board. First of all, whatever data is given to you, write that. So data is 107, then 201, then 92, then 52, then 113, then 75 and in the last 195. Now the first step is to arrange this data in ascending order. For which order? Ascending order. It means smaller to greater. Okay. So I have written already arranging given data in ascending order. Ascending order. So in this one, which one is the smaller? 52 is smaller. So then 52. Bigger than 52 is 75. It will be 75. So 75 you will write. Then bigger than 75 is which one? 92. So 92 you will write. Then 107. Then 113. Then 195 and the last 201. So arranging order means, ascending arranging order means smaller to greater. First we write a smaller, then greater, then greater, then greater. In the last, the most greatest number you will write. Okay. Now after this you have to count how many data is given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many data are given to you? 7. It means that if n is odd. Now what is n? N is the number of data. Okay. So here n, that is n equals to 7. In this question n value is 7. Okay. And 7 is odd number. Yes or no? You know that 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. These all are odd number. So when we are counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we are getting n value 7. It means n is a odd number. So that is why written if n is odd, that is n equals to 7. Understood? Yes or no? Okay. So when odd number is given, at that time median formula is n plus 1 by 2n. Always write this th. Okay, and observation. Always, whenever data is given to you, this type of data, and n is odd, means number of data are odd, then you will use this formula median equals to n plus 1 by 2n observation. Now in place of n, what you will write class 10? You will write 7 because n value is 7 here, so you will write 7 plus 1 by 2. Now 7 plus 1 will be 8, so 8 by 2n observation. Please don't forget to write this th. It is very important. Okay. Why? I will tell you in the next step. So 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. You will get median fourth observation. Fourth observation means you will come to this arranging order in ascending order. Whatever you have arranged in ascending order, you will come in that one and you will see fourth observation. Fourth observation means in fourth position which number is there. So in fourth position, in first position number is 52, in second position number is 75, in third position number is 92 and in fourth position number is 107. So So median will become 107. Fourth observation means you have to come to your ascending order and you will count it first, second, third, fourth. So in fourth position 107 is coming, so you will write median equals to 107. Suppose that class 10, if there is fifth position, it is not there, just I am giving you example. If it is fifth position, you will again count once, first position, second, third, fourth, fifth. Then your answer will be 130. Okay, but in this question, position is fourth observation means you have to come at fourth position. First, second, third, fourth. In fourth position, you have 107. Please class 10, be careful, don't see this data. You have to arrange that one and you have to see this data only. Okay, otherwise you will not get your perfect answer. Okay, because in here in fourth position it is 52. So this one is not your answer. Answer will come from the ascending order. Okay, complete this one. Now class 10, come to question number 2 and read the question of exercise 26.2. It is written there that if ages in years of some animals are 6, 10, 9, 6, 10, 5, 4, 9, 11, 20, 18, let us find the median of ages. Again they are asking find the median, okay, of ages. Now how you will find median? Same process you will use as you have used in the last question, means in the first question. First of all, write all the data or information given to you. 6, 10, 5. This one is not the information. This is question number 2. 6, 10, 5, 4, 9, 11, 20, 18. Okay. Now the first step is you have to arrange all this in which order? Ascending order. So I have written already arranging given data in ascending order. So ascending order means first of all you have to write a smaller, then greater, in the last the greatest. Okay. So here the smaller one is 4. So 4. Then 5, then 6, then 9, then 10, then 11, then 18, then 20. So I have written 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 18 and 20. Understood? Now if n is even, now you can see class 10, when you will count this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You are getting 8 and you know that 8 is an even number. Even number means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, these all are even number. Okay, so you are getting 8. 8 is an even number. So you will write if n is even, that is n equals to 8. In this question, n value is 8 only. At that time, median formula will change. In the last one, when information or data is odd, at that time median was n plus 1 by 12th observation. But if data is even, means n equals to 8, at that time median formula will be n by 2th and n by 2 plus 1th observations. Means you will get 2 observations. Okay, how many observations? 2 observations when number of data will be even. Even means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, etc. So n value is 8, so you will write 8 by 2th 8 by 2th and n value again 8 by 2 plus 1. Understood? Now 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, fourth. So you are getting here fourth observation. And when you can cancel this 2, why? Because plus is not attached. If it is like this, n plus 1 by 2, you would not, and suppose that n value is 7. So 7 plus 1 by 2. You have to first add this 2 and then you will divide. Okay. But if it is separately written, n by 2 plus 1, separately but plus 1 is written in this question. At that time what you will do, you can cancel this 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So here we are getting 4 and 4 plus 1th observation. I have written here median 4 and 4 plus 1th observation. I am not getting place, for this reason I am writing observations here. Okay, observations. Now 4th observation and 4 plus 1 will be 5th observations. Understood up to here? Now go to 4th position and 5th position and see which number is written. So in 4th position it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, and in 5th position 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means 5th position 10 and in 4th position 9. So what you will do, in place of 4th you will write 9 plus 5th observation you will write 10 because here we are getting 10 divided by 2. Always whenever number of data is even you will divide in the last by 2. Okay, but in odd one we were not doing that one. We are directly writing n plus 1 by 2th observation, then we are finding observation and we are counting. But when the number of data will be even, at that time in 4th observation 9 is there and in 5th observation 10 is there. So 9 plus 10 divided by 2. Always divide by 2. No 3, no 4. Only divide by 2. So 9 plus 10, 19. 19 by 2. When you will divide 19 by 2 means 2 9s are 18. 1 will come. Then you have to put 1 0, 1 decimal. 2 5s are 10. So you will get how much? 9.5. So median will be 9.5. Okay. So answer will be 9.5. Or you can write here years also because they are asking years. Okay. And the last one you can write rupees. Okay. Complete this one. Class 10, your homework is only question number 3. Do this one. And if you have any queries regarding any doubt, anything, either your homework or classwork, please mail me in the given email ID nilofer.sma@outlook.com and by tomorrow submit your homework. Okay? Thank you.